Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Carlos, and here is what will be on the lineup from October 13th to October 19th. This Tuesday, October 15th, is very eventful, with both a varsity boys bowling match and a cross-country meet for both boys and girls all of which will be taking place at 4 p.m. Bowling has another match on October 17th, so be sure to support them at their games. Next up is the girls' varsity soccer games on October 16th and 17th, the former at the Queens High School of Teaching field and the latter at Fort Tilding. As of now, our Lady Seawolves have gone undefeated throughout the entire season, so hopefully they keep this up. Now, let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. Unfortunately, there isn't a lot of new information as the girls' volleyball tryouts are still being planned as of now, but we will keep you updated as we learn more. And now, make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I am Carlos, and I'll see you next time.